Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy bonds on Charles Schwab. First, log into your Schwab account and navigate to the Trade tab. From there, select Bonds to access the fixed income trading platform. You will find a wide selection of bond types, including U.S. Treasuries, corporate bonds, and municipal bonds. Remember, most individual bonds have a minimum purchase requirement, often starting at $1,000 par value. Once on the bond trading page, you can efficiently search for bonds that align with your investment goals. Utilize the fixed income offerings table to filter by specific bond types, such as treasuries and desired maturity dates. If you have a particular bond in mind, simply enter its CUSIP number for a direct search. Pay close attention to details like the yield to maturity, the bond's credit rating, and whether it has a callable feature, which allows the issuer to redeem it early. After identifying a suitable bond, select the Buy option from the search results. You will then be prompted to enter your order details, including the dollar amount you wish to invest. For example, you might enter $10,000. It is crucial to thoroughly review all the information, such as the bond's price, estimated total cost, and any associated fees, before proceeding. Once satisfied, click Place Order to complete your transaction. When buying bonds, be aware of the fee structure. New issue bonds purchased on Schwab generally have zero transaction fees. However, secondary market bonds typically have a $1 per bond transaction fee, with a minimum charge of $10. Bonds can provide a steady income stream and help diversify your portfolio, but they are subject to interest rate risk, meaning their value can fluctuate with changes in prevailing rates. Always consider your investment objectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.